All right, so we've got 2 cuts of meat. We've got beef chuck and we've got some beef cheek here as well. So what we're gonna do, I've cut them up already. I'm just gonna season them with salt and then we'll sear them off in the pot and get started. So just generously seasoning with salt on all sides. Just making sure that you have one hand seasoning with salt and grabbing the salt out of the pot and the other hand can kind of turn them over, making sure you're not dipping that meat hand in your salt pot or your salt container. Okay, so pop some oil in there. We're just gonna let that heat up. And now we're just gonna sear those pieces of meat off. We're not gonna overcrowd this pot. And what we're looking for is a nice crust on the outside of that meat. That's really gonna bring the flavor out of that meat and into that dish. So next step, we're gonna get started with our braising liquid. Now this is the liquid that's gonna help cook that beef. It's gonna steam and cook in that little pot there while it's in the oven. And it's gonna be packed with flavor. The first thing we wanna get started with is our garlic. So place the garlic in the pot. Got beef stock. Got some oregano, some cumin. Then we've got chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and then juice from 1 lime. Got some apple cider vinegar, and we want to give it a good stir. All those flavors, it's going to be delicious. So all that liquid goes back into the pot. Then all we do is just place the beef back in with all those juices. So what I'm going to do is we don't want to fully submerge them. We're going to add a little bit more water. Next, add in your cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Now we just want to bring that pot onto a low simmer before placing on your cartouche, which is just a baking sheet in the shape of the pot. This is just going to help trap the steam in and cook evenly. Then we go into an oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 3.5 hours, or until you get that beef nice and tender, and it should just pull apart with a fork. Make sure to remove the cinnamon stick and bay leaf before serving. And there we have it, pulled beef barbacoa. Such a delicious pulled beef recipe that you can use for any beef bowls, quesadillas, burritos, and tacos. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.